good day, balito na po yung inyong Nintendo Switch OLED 512GB na inavail po sa amin. So yung Switch po ninyo is naka-dual boot na po siya. It has our legit mode and yung ating jailbreak mode. Currently, ina-access muna natin yung ating jailbreak mode. Automatic na rin po siya. Every time that we just turn on normally our Switch, ang una niya agad i-access ay ang jailbreak mode natin. So this order is going to, ba ito pupunta? Agusan del Sur, Mindanao. Now, pakita ko lang first yung charging ng ating unit. So, battery percentage right now is at 97%. Okay. Kabit ko lang yung charger po ninyo. Yung charger na ginagamit natin is yung charger that's also included with your package. So, nakakabit na siya sa aming extension. So, side A charging and our side B also charging. So, 96% currently. Let's leave it charging for now. And then, these are the games naman that we were able to install. Ayan. Now, if you're going to check your album folder, andito po yung ating mga homebrew applications. And then, both Joy-Cons are charging as well as your Switch unit. So, ko lang. Ayan. Check lang natin yung ayan, Bluetooth wireless connectivity. All good. And then, yung ating buttons naman. So, let's first start with our analog. Left analog. Ayan. No ghosting or drifting. And with our right analog, same thing, no ghosting or drifting in info. And, sorry, yung buttons pala natin. So, ZR, ZL, LR, ABXY, directional buttons, plus, minus, analog buttons, yung ating SR, SL, sa ating left Joy-Con, screenshot, and then SR, SL naman sa ating right Joy-Con. Then, touchscreen, and our home button. So, turn off na natin yung ating switch and let's access our second boot, which is yung ating legit mode. So, before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait lang po na mga around 10 to 15 seconds to make sure na yung mod chip natin sa loob is totally turned off din siya. Turning on. Once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down nyo lang po agad yung ating volume down button. Ayan. Para mapunta tayo sa ating Hecate menu option and then we can choose our legit mode SysNAND this time. So sa legit mode po natin, dito tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if you have physical game cartridges po, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. Dahil nasa legit mode din tayo ngayon, if you are going to check naman your album folder, expect na hindi na ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, pag meron na kayong mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. So, okay na po yung inyong Switch unit. Bali, papak na lang din namin ito. And I'll be sending separate photos na rin of the other inclusions dito sa inyong package sa ating chat. Thank you po and happy gaming!